2013 Lincoln Navigator. La 2013 Lincoln Navigator. Le instalamos una Viper, encendido de motor con alarma. Here's a Viper remote start alarm installed, ready to go. Has a pager on it, lock, unlock, pop trunk, remote start. If the vehicle is hit or any of the doors are pried open, it will set off the alarm. I'm gonna reach in and open it up. Le vamos a abrir la puerta para que se active la alarma. And for remote start, we push the start key one time. And the engine cranks. Viper remote start installed. 2013 Lincoln Navigator. Come by the shop, check us out. Open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6, closed on Sunday. See you guys on the next one.